Welcome back to DIY by Jeepers. Today we're going to be doing a product spotlight of the 67 design JK mount 2-ball base and 2 short carbon fiber arms. It's going to be pack number 6. We're going to get our handy dandy trusty unboxing knife. Do your best you can. So on the box, you're going to get a 67 Designs sticker, which is pretty nice because I like collecting stickers. It's going to show you the single ball version, if you do have that one. And then the install instructions will be on the back, and it gives you a barcode or QR code to scan. It goes over some paperwork to share it, and then shows you all the other options that you do receive for mounting options for 67 Designs, and then legal paperwork, some generic wrapping paper, and now time for the good stuff. There's going to be the base and your 2 carbon fiber arms that are included with the pack. So I like to go with the 2 carbon fiber arms over like the universal mount with a single carbon fiber arm, because I'm going to be buying those separately, and I'm buying one for the camera mount, and then I'm in between the universal mount for the phone carrier or the magnetic kit. So right now this is going to be the base. Looking back at the base, these are the 220mm balls that are included. The 3M tape on the side and the bottom where the fastener goes through. And overall it's a great design, and it's always the little details that mean the most, because 67 Designs took the time to add their branding right there, and then also they included it on the balls. And so that's the details that they took the time to make. These carbon fiber arms allow a lot of adjustability. These are some wing nuts that they included. Very good quality, spin very nicely. These arms are about 6 inches. So I'm gonna get out the measuring tape and show y'all. From base to base, about a total of 6 inches. So overall, it allows for a lot of adjustability and movement. They do come apart, so that's how they were able to get the ball in and out. But these wing nuts are good quality and should last a while. And they do have a 67 Designs in the wing nut, which is also a great finish because it's just the little details that matter the most. And that gives me a lot of adjustability, because I will be using this for my GoPro as well. So you just untwist it a little. It allows for your ball to be plopped in. This is a no drill kit, so it is going to use the 7mm fastener that is already included in your Jeep. Overall, it is a highly built product, very great quality,